Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. Today we have a great video because we have the NC1 NSX at NC Auto. There's a lot of NCs going around here, but we're going to be installing the windshield protection film. And this isn't the test stuff or whatever. This is the real deal. This is the new stuff that XPEL just came out with, and this stuff is awesome. So I tested it on the McLaren because I'm a little bit I don't know, I baby my NSX, and I've had it on the McLaren for a few months and it's good to go. I like it, I can see through it, and guess what? When I'm driving, I feel a lot more comfortable, like especially in Colorado, because we are known literally as Rocky Colorado, and windshields do not make it long here, their lifespan is shorter. And let me tell you, putting on the NSX is gonna be awesome. So we're gonna be showing you a little bit of how it's done, and then giving you guys a little bit more information and going from there. But yeah, Nick, you're just cleaning, right? That's
a little
it?
clay bar.
Okay.
A little foam clay bar, get the stuff off the windshield.
Nice. And this windshield, does it matter the condition of the windshield? Like if you have any cracks or anything like that?
Typically, yeah, you do want a fresh piece of glass.
Okay.
No chips, no cracks.
Minor chips are okay though?
Minor chips would be okay.
Okay. So, but the fresher the glass, the better.
Better.
That makes sense. Nice. All right, we have John here. They're brothers, which is awesome. And John is feeling for any imperfections or anything stuck on there. All right, after they're cleaning, John is squeezing the stuff off. And is it soapy water for a reason? Do you want to use soapy water, or does it help install it or something?
No, just a slip solution basically.
Okay.
Soapy water, so helps the film slide around.
Nice.
Push stuff out.
That makes sense. All right, guys, this is the magic sauce here. And when you look at it, I assume like, man, that is not going to be transparent, but it is. All right, guys, we've got different colored squeezies here. We don't know what's going on, but we will be reporting in. So they take more water off?
This is easier. A little softer compound.
Okay. Now this is now water and soap, or water?
Yeah, same thing.
Okay, but it doesn't look like a lot of soap compared to other stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same stuff.
Okay.
I just didn't spray as much on.
Nice. I mean, it's looking good. All right, guys, they laid it down. Whatever that solution is, smells pretty good. Kind of like alcohol-y almost. So they laid the film down and there was water underneath it, right?
Yep.
And water on top of it. And you guys are squeezing the water from the center out.
Yes.
Okay. But if you look, everyone, it is already looking transparent. Like I was saying, when it goes on there, you think it's not, but it is transparent. And the great thing about this, UV protectant. That's what I love. That's my favorite part. And so I put the first video of our McLaren on the McLaren forums, and a lot of people commented that they've been using this stuff, and it saved them from rocks, saved them from chips. It just makes sense because this is an extra layer of protection, and this, I've always wanted this product on a car because this is what sees a lot of damage, and it's a pain to address it. All right, guys, it looks like they have it laid down. And I think the next thing is like a little bit of minor cutting, right?
Yep, just trim the excess off the outside.
And then clean it up, and we're almost done, which is crazy. So this is the part where you really want somebody with a skilled, experienced background to do this, because when you're cutting it, you have to remember, you know, you don't want to cut too deep. You don't want to cut any seals. You don't want to cut any paint. And this is where the pros really shine. All right, guys, these guys did an amazing job. This is like my second home. I love this place. But guys, look at this. It is installed. It is cut. It looks clean. They cleaned the inside. They cleaned the outside. But the best part is that now we're protected. I mean, we got PPF here as well, and we have the front shield protection film, and we feel good. If you think about the area on the NC1, this is a must, guys. And I can tell you right away that this is really clear. And when you drive the car, you're gonna get something that makes it really worth it. You have this type of insurance, this type of peace that you know that you have extra protection. In my opinion, that's worth a lot. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow these guys on Instagram. They're at NC Auto. They have some cool photos. You guys take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.